So the first exercise I'm doing is a diagonal lunge. When I'm doing this exercise, I usually do 4 sets of 10 reps on each side. So altogether you can count to 20, which will add up, to 10 on each. I like to do a 10 to 30 second rest in between each rep. And I'm going to switch angles here, so hopefully you get the gist of this exercise. And trust me, it really has you sore the next day. I like to call this one a squat jump because every time you take off, you want to start in a squat. And then of course, when you come back down to land, you want to land in a squat. The best way to land and take off is from your heels. That way it really targets the back of your legs to your butt. This one's like a lunge doggy kick. I'm usually doing 4 sets of 10 on each leg. If you can do more, of course, do more. Sometimes I'll up it to 4 sets of 20 on each leg. Also, I try to keep most of my weight in my heels, so you're constantly pushing off of the back of your foot. You could also wear ankle weights on this exercise. That really adds a bonus to this, but if you're away from home and you don't have weights, it's still a nice exercise to do. I really don't know what to call this one. I like to think down, down, up, up, down, down, up, up. That really helps me. And you can always add a squat at the top if you want to. That's usually what I do, but if you want to modify it, you have a couple different options. Also, if you decide to hold weight, that also makes the exercise so much better. Now, these are my fave, just regular doggy kicks. I usually like to do 10 on one leg with a 4-second rest, and then of course 10 more. So I'm doing 4 reps on one leg in a row. You can always switch this up if you'd like to, and you could do 20 on one leg with a 3-second rest. I like to call those power doggy kicks. And you want to try your hardest not to move the upper part of your body. That way all of this exercise is controlled in the lower half of your body. And I intended on using resistance bands with this exercise because I usually do that at home. I'll show you the ones that I have on the side of the screen here. They're really inexpensive, although mine were a gift. And they're a really easy way to add a little bit of extra oomph at home without using weights. Now these babies are the king doggy kicks. I like to call them the skiing position as well because it's almost like you're skiing and holding poles and you're just going to kick out your leg from behind you, and it's giving you such a good butt workout, I promise you, especially if you do tons of these. I like to do about 50 on each leg every day. I call this one a step squat. I don't really know what other people call them, but I'm just stepping to the side as you can see, and on my way up I squeeze my butt, and that gives you an extra oomph, I want to say. It's a really good exercise, especially if you're doing it quick. I like to keep going until I hit 30, and I like to do 3 sets of that. I don't know what on God's green earth I was doing for this outro, but I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll probably make some more workout videos soon because I just think they're super enjoyable and they are true workouts that I do at home all the time. So thanks for watching, and I'll catch you on my channel next time.